Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can disable streamer mode automation on Discord. So whenever I open up my OBS to record these videos, obviously the streamer mode is going to be enabled automatically, but you can actually turn it off. I used to stream and it was helpful if I was streaming and I wanted to change windows, so my information doesn't get anywhere, even though I don't think anybody cares about me. So um, basically you're going to go to user settings, and as you can see there's this, but you can just scroll down to go to streamer mode, and basically you're just going to disable it first, and then you're going to disable the automatically enable or disable streamer mode if OBS or xsplit are running on this computer, so that doesn't happen anymore. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.